In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an income statement in Xero. So, whether you're managing your own business finances or you're responsible for accounting in your organization, this guide will help you navigate Xero's interface with ease. Let's dive into the world of financial reporting and ensure you're able to produce comprehensive income statements whenever needed. First things first, we need to head over to Xero.com. This is where our journey begins. So open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero website. Once you're there, cast your eyes to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the login option. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you'll be taken to the login page. Enter your credentials and then log into your Xero account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero homepage, which is where the magic happens. Look at the taskbar menu at the top and search for reporting. This section is crucial as it's where all your report-related tasks can be managed and accessed. After finding reporting, click on it, and then you're directed to a new page where you'll see various reporting options. Here is where you'll look for profit and loss. This is generally referred to as the income statement and provides a breakdown of your revenues, costs, and expenses, reflecting your profit or loss over a given period. When you locate profit and loss, click on it so we can begin creating your report. Once inside, you'll need to set the date range for your report. This can be customized to fit your specific needs, whether you're looking at a specific month, quarter, year, or any date range in between. Adjust the dates by clicking on the date fields and selecting the range that best suits your reporting requirements. Moving on, it's time to adjust the report settings to suit your preferences and needs. Locate the option labeled More on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll find additional settings to customize your report. By clicking More, you'll be able to select whether you want to view your report under the accrual or cash basis of accounting. You also have the option to compare with previous periods, an invaluable tool for spotting trends or seasonal patterns within your business. Additionally, you can apply filters such as tracking categories like departments or projects for more tailored insights. Once you've set your preferences, ensure everything is correct by clicking on Update, which will refresh the report with your new settings. Finally, once you're satisfied with your income statement and are ready to save or share it, scroll down to the bottom right corner, where you'll find the Save or Export options. Choose to save it for future reference or export it in your desired format for sharing or further analysis. And there you have it. You've successfully created an income statement in Xero. Whether you need it for internal assessment or external requirements, you now know how to navigate the reporting features in Xero with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.